Hi YouTube friends, I'm Dylan, and today I'm going to show you how to draw a classic DC Universe superhero, Plastic Man. So like this video, subscribe to my channel, grab a pencil and piece of paper, let's begin. Plastic Man head will start out as a circle, like most of the human heads, and then his jawline will have a little bit of a V shape beneath it, like a soft V shape. We've drawn these typical shapes a bunch of times in these videos. And then for his body, we're gonna have him in a motion. And remember, he's a stretchy superhero. He doesn't fly like Superman or run fast like Flash. And then we put these sticks around for the guidelines. And like I always say, draw lightly at first until you get your lines just the way you want them for the final drawing. Then we're gonna make like a C shape. That's gonna be the guide for his stretching arm. Okay, we've got our basic stick figure. Now it's time to get into some further details. So we'll draw his head more. So we're gonna define his chin. Then we put like a kind of a half oval for his ear, along with almost like a backwards number 6 shape for the inside of the ear. And he wears these glasses, or they're more goggles. So we draw this almost kind of bean shape with a flat end at the top. And then we put a triangle on the side for like the rim that goes over his ears. And now I need to darken in his goggles. I sometimes confuse these. And then on this side, put a little like rectangle there for the, I don't know, the hinge of his goggles. And then we'll put his nose right here, and an upside down U for the nostrils. And then we're gonna make him smile. So you make this nice kind of moon shape that goes like this. And put a U shape there for the lower lip. And then we need to draw these half kind of shapes inside for the lenses of the goggles. And then put these V shapes inside. These are like the highlights of his goggles. Then you darken in the insides of his goggles. Now, right here, you'll make kind of a sort of a V shape. Well, this is actually the middle of his torso. Then we got to put his belt right here. And it's gonna get a little bigger on the top and a little smaller at the bottom. And it's gonna go like this. Then put a diamond in the middle. And these stripes. Make the middle one dark. Now we gotta make his hair. And his hair is really round and curly, almost like Superman's, because it's got like a flock that goes over it. Then there's this side of his hair as well. And now we need to, he's got these stitches that go in the middle of his costume. Then right here, you'll bring the curve up. This is his upper chest and the side of his body. Then we got to get his bicep up. And there's his elbow, followed by his forearm. And then we'll make his fist, and it's going to be sideways, so we draw only the thumb and the side of one finger. And then we got to get this side of his body. And then we need to make his stretching heroic arm a little thick. And it's going to be a little bit thin on this side. His arm's a little bit like a rubber hose. A little thin over here. And we're going to bring this all the way up like that. Then make sure this one line stops about near his fist. And then we will get the other part of his arm. And we got to get his lower body too. So you draw this V shape that goes like this. And get his legs as well. His bent leg will be kind of hidden behind his arm. So we're only going to draw one leg. It's going to go like this. And his foot, he's not wearing any boots like most other superheroes, so he's usually bare feet. And then make his, you don't have to, if you want to draw his toes you can, but this one I'm not. So we're going to bring this stretched leg up, and now we're going to get his fist. So we do this curve up here, and another curve right here. And to make the fist, we start with the palm. And he has 4 fingers and a thumb. 1, 2, 3, 4. You might want to raise these lines up just a little bit. And then we put his thumb right here. It's be like a square with a triangle beneath it. Then we can shade in his hair. I know I'm using a red pencil, but if you want to use a black one, you can. This is a drawing. Drawings are supposed to be fun. And make sure you leave a little bit of white spots, a white stripe between it. It's like a highlight in his hair. We've drawn highlights a bunch of times in these videos. And get this side right here. And that, my friends, is Plastic Man. I hope you all had fun. I'll see you next time.